Now we're going to start learning about working with WordPress. This is one of the most popular tools for building websites. So what exactly is WordPress? WordPress is a content management system, or CMS. That means it's a tool that lets you build and manage a website without needing to code everything from scratch. It handles the complex parts for you so you can focus on your content. Think of WordPress as a combination of Google Docs, a website builder, a file manager, and a design system, all in one place. With WordPress, you can write content like blog posts or pages, add images and media, change how your site looks, and add extra features like contact forms or galleries. People use WordPress because it's beginner-friendly and extremely customizable. In fact, it powers over 40% of the web. It's used for all kinds of websites, including personal sites, business websites, blogs, portfolios, and even online stores. Behind the scene, WordPress is built using several key components: PHP, which is the programming language; MySQL, which is the database that stores your content; themes, which control the design and layout; and plugins, which add extra functionality to your site. WordPress is basically made up of two core parts. Let's talk about these two important content types. We have pages and posts. Pages are used for static, long-term content, like your home, about, or contact pages, and can be organized in a hierarchy, like parent and child pages. Pages are typically linked directly in the main navigation menu. Posts, on the other hand, are used for blog-style content. These are time-based entries, like articles or updates. They're organized using categories and tags, appear in reverse chronological order, and usually allow comments for interaction. A WordPress theme controls the look and feel of your website. It includes things like layout, colors, fonts, and overall design. You can think of switching a theme like changing the skin of your website. It changes the appearance without affecting the content. Plugins are like apps for your website. They add new features without requiring you to write code. For example, you can install plugins for contact forms, SEO tools, security, or even full e-commerce functionality. The WordPress dashboard is your control panel. It's where you manage everything on your site. From here, you can edit content, install themes and plugins, manage users, and adjust your site's settings. It's basically the hub for running your website. WordPress.org is self-hosted, which means you have full control and can install any theme or plugin. This is what you'll typically use in a class or a professional setup. WordPress.com is hosted for you. It's easier to get started with, but it has many more limitations and some require payments. To make it easier to understand, think of a website like a house. WordPress is the framework of the house. The theme is the interior design. Plugins are the appliances, like a fridge or air conditioning. And your content is the furniture and decorations. WordPress is a powerful and flexible tool that makes building and managing websites accessible to almost anyone. By understanding its core parts, like pages, posts, themes, plugins, and the dashboard, you're already on your way to creating your own website.